Welcome Plantastics. Today we start a new playlist in which we will review many possible areas in people's lives and how to meet the needs of these areas with plants. We will explore a 100% plant-based world and discover its incredible consequences for the planet and our health. In this fascinating video, we dive into a future where humans adopt a plant-based diet, completely transforming our relationship with food and the environment. Imagine a world where most people eat a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. This revolutionary change would have a positive impact on the planet, drastically reducing greenhouse gas emissions, decreasing deforestation, and preserving biodiversity. Not only would we have a more sustainable planet, but we would also experience significant improvements in our health. Did you know that a plant-based diet provides a wide range of essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes and obesity? In addition, by eliminating animal products, we would also reduce exposure to hormones and antibiotics used in animal husbandry, promoting optimal health. Scientific studies have shown that a plant-based diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease. According to the American Heart Association, a plant-based diet is associated with a lower risk of high blood pressure, heart disease and stroke. But what about taste? Here's the kicker: vegan cooking can be incredibly tasty and satisfying. Through creative culinary techniques and the use of spices and seasonings, you'll discover how the natural flavors of vegetables can create exquisite dishes full of variety. You can learn how to combine ingredients, experiment with different textures, and bring to life gourmet dishes that will delight your taste buds. Vegan cooking is not a limitation, but an opportunity to explore new flavors and discover the culinary diversity that the plant world has to offer. In this video, we challenge stereotypes and debunk myths about vegan cuisine. This choice can be accessible, affordable and exciting, and how it can have a positive impact on your life and the world around you. We invite you to open your mind and reflect on your food choices, discovering the power you have to make a difference. Don't miss this eye-opening journey to a plant-based world. Like, subscribe and share this video to spread the message, and together, let's create a healthier, more sustainable and delicious future for all. Moreover, in this video we cannot fail to mention the importance of respecting all species and protecting the planet's biodiversity. A plant-based diet is not only about our health and the environment, but also about animal suffering. By opting for a vegan diet, we commit to not contributing to the mistreatment and suffering of animals. We avoid consuming products derived from animal exploitation, such as meat, dairy and eggs. This means that we are doing our part to protect the lives and welfare of millions of animals who are raised in inhumane conditions in the food industry. Research in the field of ethology, the science of animal behavior, has revealed that animals exhibit a wide range of behaviors associated with emotions such as fear, joy, sadness and affection. These studies have observed emotional responses in a variety of species, including mammals, birds, fish and some invertebrates. In addition, a plant-based diet is also an effective way to preserve our planet's biodiversity. By reducing the demand for animal products, we reduce the need for large areas of land for animal husbandry. In total, livestock production accounts for 70% of the world's agricultural land and 30% of the world's land area, says FAO. This translates into less deforestation and loss of natural habitats, which benefits all species, both plants and animals, that depend on these ecosystems to survive. Did you know that the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, has stated that a transition to a plant-based diet can help mitigate climate change? Meat and dairy production is responsible for a large amount of greenhouse gas emissions, while plant-based food production generates fewer emissions. It is important to remember that all forms of life on this planet are interconnected. By choosing a plant-based diet, we are recognizing the intrinsic value of every living thing and working to protect the biological diversity of our world. In a plant-fed world, Sustainable agricultural practices such as regenerative agriculture and agroforestry could be implemented. These techniques integrate trees, shrubs and crops into a single system, allowing the conservation of existing forests and the regeneration of deforested areas. The reintroduction of predatory species into ecosystems is essential to maintain a natural balance. In a plant-feeding world, controlled reintroduction programs of predator species, such as wolves or lynx, could be implemented to control herbivore populations and maintain species diversity. Supporting research and science would be a good way for predators and humans to coexist and therefore implement techniques for this coexistence and their development. Education and awareness raising would be two very important issues for this. The regeneration of natural areas could be achieved through ecological restoration projects, for example using methods such as the so-called Miyawaki method. These projects involve the reclamation of degraded areas, the planting of native trees and the promotion of biodiversity. In a plant-powered world, additional resources and efforts could be devoted to the regeneration of natural spaces to restore ecosystems and protect wildlife. In a vegan world, of course, we do not forget about livestock farmers and the support they should receive to make the transition to a job where instead of raising animals, they plant and care for plants to continue feeding the world. It should be proposed to them education and training, funding and subsidies, advice and technical support, work reconversion programs. We are all important in one of the most important changes of humanity. Through this video, we want to inspire you to consider the consequences of our food choices and the impact they can have on animal welfare and the preservation of the environment. Together, we can make a difference and create a more compassionate and sustainable world for all species. Join us on this journey towards a future of respect, compassion and harmony with all forms of life on our beautiful planet. Thank you for joining us on Plantastics. Be sure to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting journeys into the captivating world of plants and nature. See you in the next episode.